With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. In the question, it is said that least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. So we have to find the magnifying power of a simple microscope of focal length 5 centimeter. Okay, so in the question we are given the least distance of distinct vision, that is D, is equal to 25 centimeter. Now what is the formula for magnification? We know magnification is 1 plus D upon F, where F is the focal length. So just put the values here. So if you put the values, it is 1 plus the least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. So this is your 25 centimeter upon focal length. Focal length is your 5 centimeter. So if you simplify this expression, it will come out to be 1 plus 25 upon 5 is 5. So 1 plus 5 is nothing but 6. So the required magnification of the simple microscope is nothing but 6. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.